nagkakaroon ng online na pang-aabuso sa mga bata sa buong mundo ayon sa isang grupo.
Cyberbullying is never okay. It's important to remember that words have power, and hurtful comments or message can have serious effects on someone's mental health.
I would rather be a little somebody than evil somebody.
Post, don't roast. Tell them to stop. Cyberbullying is not about physical violence. It's about psychological and mental violence. Let them know what they are doing. Be respectful in approaching them and never come off in an aggressive manner.
Your online actions have a real world reactions. Choose kindness.
Type of kindness, not to cruelty.
Screens don't lie, scars stop bullying.
Think before you post.